الساعة 4:47 وأنا بستيل in the same spot. رايت فيلم من مظاهرات السيسي الحاشدة، وده تقريبا معرفش اشتغل مع مين. رعب، وهؤلاء هم مؤيدين السيسي.
هتصورني؟
ما صوركش ليه؟
ليه تصورني؟
اصورك ليه؟ اصورك ليه؟ انا بصور الفندق.
كده يا حبيبي.
انا ما هجيب لك انا في
لا لو سمحت ما
طب stay away from me. Officer, he come, you wanna grab the camera from my hand. You wanna grab the camera from my hand. I wanna exercise my right in a peace way. He came, he left his group and he came to bother me.
Okay. If you want to exercise your right in a peaceful way,
yes.
We have an area.
This is I wanna be here. I wanna film this demonstration. That gentleman come to harassing me. I'm American citizen. He wanna exercise his own rights. That's enough. You have to protect me from that guy. He threatened me, man. Now he grabbing. You wanna see the video when he tried to grab the camera?
Come on, let's go take a walk.
The video's here. I'm shooting. I'm still shooting right now.
Let's take a walk. Take a walk. You want to exercise?
Look at this.
So
Look at
you
this.
want to exercise your?
Yes.
We have an area here, right up here, on 51st Street. I'm going to ask you to go up there, okay?
Yes. اهلا حبايبي، اهلا يا خرفان يا معيز يا جزم، اهلا يا جزم يا معرسين يا كلاب، اهلا يا كلاب يا حراميه.
I'm going to give you an area to exercise your right.
But this is if I'm a very peaceful man, I have the right to exercise my right what it should be. If I'm far away from the,
you're going to do it right.
I'm been for years demonstration, so I know.
You guys are equal distance from the hotel.
Yes.
Your area here.
Yes, I know.
The other area.
But I want to touch them. They are lying.
I'm going to ask
they
you
send in line for people.
You to stay in your area up
they
there.
send this. This is the Egyptian. They say there is tens of thousands celebrate Sisi.
Sir.
That freaking Sisi. يا معرس. يا سيسي يا معرس.
You're going to stay in your area up there.
يا سيسي يا معرس.
You're going to stay in your area up there.
يا كلاب يا وساخ.
And if you come out, you're gonna leave the area entirely. Understand?
I know my right and I do understand you, and I'm trying to cooperate with you to do your job in peacefully. I practice my right in a nice way.
You're doing a great job of cooperating right now.
But you see them, they cross the street to come to bother me. I got my stuff here. This wasn't trying to, but I'm trying to make it very peaceful for you.
First of all, I asked what you were doing before, and you told me you were pressed. So I'm actually
I didn't say I'm pressed. I said I'm trying to make some media.
I'm a little insulted that you lied to me.
No, I didn't lie.
You're gonna come over here.
We have in the video here. I could show you. I didn't say you I'm pressed. I said I'm trying to take some video for media.
You're gonna come over here and you're gonna stay in your area that's designated for you. If you leave the area, you're gonna leave the area entirely. You're not coming back down there. Do you understand? Come on, let's go. Come on. You can stand right here and demonstrate your right all you want. Do you understand? Demonstrate your right all you want, right in this area.
It's okay. Thank you. So you're not gonna open something for me to leave if I want to leave?
The entrance and exit's right at the end.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. البوليس في نيويورك خدني من قدامهم، جابوا معرفة. الراجل اللي لابس أبيض ده هم عارفينه، يعني في معرفة معه. أيوة حبيبي، أنا مش عارف أعمل إيه في الفيديو، أنا بتخانق هنا. البوليس عاملين لي مشاكل، بصورهم الكلاب الجزم ما يتعدوش على صابع الإيد الواحدة، وعمالين بيقولوا ألفات بيتظاهروا، والجزم المعرسين ونازلين لي من فوق بتوع المخابرات والجزم الزبالة، مفكرين نفسهم في مصر الخولات، وإن كان ليهم ضابط معرفة ولا حاجة عمالين يزقوا عليا كل شوية. بس مين أخدت اللي أنا عاوزه، أنا عشان كده I try to talk in a nice way. I take what I need. المهم يا مصطفى، أنتوا هتكون هنا الساعة كام؟ ده هو خدني من across the street وداني 2 block away from them. انا gonna see my lord to see what he gonna say about that. انا بس مش عاوز اعمل مشاكل للناس اللي جايين اللي جايين يتظاهروا بالليل. That's why. يعني مش عاوز اخلي البوليس يغلس عليهم.